As a long-term investor, you're kind of just waiting for this, but there's a lot of, oh my God, it's going down, it's going up. And their time horizon is much shorter. And it fucks with your head. So it's a real skill set to learn. It kind of hurts you when you're hearing, oh my God, it's going down, it's going up, it's going down, it's going to do, and you're forgetting what game you're playing, which is like, I bought it somewhere when it was low in crypto winter or crypto spring, and I'm going to sell out late crypto autumn, and it'll have gone up 10x, 20x, 30x.
Recent price movements and market conditions may overshadow the tremendous opportunities that the cryptocurrency and digital asset space offers. This moment marks a unique time in modern financial history, where equal opportunities are accessible to all categories of investors worldwide. Investors from developed, developing, and underdeveloped countries can trade, invest, and profit anytime, without barriers. However, cryptocurrency is more than just equal opportunity. It represents one of the best chances for individuals to preserve and grow their wealth amid the ongoing debasement of fiat currencies by central banks. Many have achieved generational wealth in this emerging industry by making small, strategic moves at opportune moments. According to Raoul Pal, founder and CEO of Real Vision, the cryptocurrency market isn't just an alternative asset class, it's the sole opportunity for individuals to secure their financial futures. The consensus is that the current financial system is fragile, with central banks compounding the issue by continually printing and devaluing their currencies. One day, this will lead to a collapse that could impact billions. As Pal states, the only way to thrive is to stay ahead of the relentless monetary debasement, which cannot be achieved by relying solely on wages, as even the strongest currencies are losing 7 to 10% of their value each year. Traditional financial assets, such as bonds and stocks, are failing to keep pace with this erosion. In contrast, cryptocurrencies have not only kept up with the relentless devaluation of fiat currencies over the past 15 years, but have consistently outperformed the balance sheets of all central banks, including the U.S. Federal Reserve. This presents a significant opportunity to secure one's financial future and avoid being dragged down by a deteriorating financial system. In a recent video on his YouTube channel, Raoul Pal, the journeyman Pal, a renowned macro analyst and former Goldman Sachs executive, explores these opportunities in the context of the ongoing crypto bull market and articulates his belief that significant movements are on the horizon.
You don't have time. Don't miss out this 2025 bull run. Educate yourself first ahead of the crowd. We have created the ultimate step-by-step crypto cheat guide that will guide you this bull run. Unlock the secrets of crypto and make smarter investments today. Now by clicking on the link below to get your exclusive copy just under $10.
Presidential election years, nobody really cares who gets elected because the market goes up. Now, I think a Trump victory probably may extend the cycle in terms of magnitude, but the amplitude is probably the same. It just goes up. And it's from this period, end of October, really. That period now is like the correction we're having today. Think about that. And then the rest looks kind of like something down there. The business cycle. The interest rate market, how it's moved, is indicating the ISM, the business cycle for manufacturing, is about to rise. That will paper over a lot of sins. It will allow a lot of cyclical stocks, commodity plays, all of this to really start working. We're starting to see commodities starting to work. Really, the ISM is yet to turn higher. The next 12 months will be nothing more than the business cycle going up. The business cycle going up will drive all of your favorite stocks and make you all look like investing geniuses. We are generally all morons. And if the business cycle can make us look like geniuses, we'll take any victory we've got. So I'll take that. It means basically throw a dart into the stock market and everything goes up when you buy it. So we're at that point. It starts with the growth cycle. The macro summer and macro spring is really all about the growth stocks and the crypto. And then it starts as the macro summer. This is not the summer season. This is the third year of the everything code cycle. That's when the cyclical stocks start performing as the ISM has come up. ISM has been really sticky on the lows, right? Look at this. This pattern we've not seen really, even then, the 2000s wasn't quite the same. So it's been sluggish, and it's one of the reasons I think the Fed will continue to cut rates, and we're not seeing an inflationary environment. That's that chart flipping through. General business conditions in the future are going up. New orders expectations going up. ISM, that turn in the ISM matters because guess what? When the business cycle goes up, we've all got a bit more money because our businesses are doing better. We might get a pay rise, all of this shit. And your mortgages are tending to fall. So we're spending less money on our mortgages or our car service payments or whatever it may be. And guess what? Altcoins go up as a percentage of market cap in relation to the business cycle. Everything is the business cycle. This is what I've been trying to tell you. Crypto is macro. Everything's macro. It's all the same thing. You could change altcoins and turn it into small caps in equities, or you can turn it into credit. You can do whatever you want. They're all the same thing. It's all risk. It's all allocation of our liquidity, our capital into markets based on how we feel, which is the business cycle. So as the business cycle turns up, alt season. That's that inverse head and shoulders I talked about of the of alt season. This is previous bull markets. Obviously, the first bull market we can discount. Second one, 11 to 13, that was wild. I was involved in that one. That's when I first started investing. Bitcoin was bought at 200, got to 2,000, was kind of like blown away. These are the percentage returns. And then, the returns have come down a bit over time, as we can see, as adoption curves. We're right here. Like, kids, it's nothing to worry about. There's nothing to worry about. Literally all normal. So if we can stop the drama, I'd appreciate it.
It's clear that Pal has unwavering confidence in the bull market and the future of cryptocurrencies in 2025 and beyond. He believes we have reached a critical point in the business cycle where central banks will need to unleash the full power of their money printers to prevent the global economy from cooling to the point of collapse, potentially erasing hundreds of trillions of dollars in value. According to Pal, this strategy has been the playbook for central banks since 2008, and these apex institutions will do whatever it takes to uphold this mandate. This is all part of Pal's overarching thesis on the Everything Code, which highlights the persistent debasement caused by central banks and emphasizes that only cryptocurrencies and technology stocks have managed to stay ahead of it. In his video, Pal underscores the importance of taking a broader view, filtering out the noise, and adhering to the straightforward strategy of buying low and selling high. He cautions against viewing this as a quick-rich scheme and warns against pursuing high-risk ventures, such as investing all your funds in a meme coin or an obscure, untested token. As Pal puts it, this approach can lead to disastrous outcomes and result in missing out on the opportunities ahead.
As a long-term investor, you're kind of just waiting for this, but there's a lot of, oh my God, it's going down, it's going up, and their time horizon is much shorter, and it with your head. So it's a real skill set to learn. It kind of hurts you when you're hearing, oh my God, it's going down, it's going up, it's going down, it's going to do, and you're forgetting what game you're playing, which is like, I bought it somewhere when it was low in crypto winter or crypto spring, and I'm going to sell out late crypto autumn, and it'll have gone up 10x, 20x, 30x from then. And that's all I'm doing. I don't actually have to do anything. I was talking to a friend of mine about this. It's like, crypto is so incredible that it's been giving us the same opportunity every 4 years. And it's like, it's so stupid that it's been so easy. You just buy that big sell-off or add to your positions in the sell-off and do nothing. And everybody who'd done that would have made better returns than starting a startup. If you'd have raised $1 million for a startup, if you'd have just put it in the market instead, using that cycle, you'd have done better. I mean, pretty much everything we do, everything else is actually dilutive. And I know people are like, oh, Raoul, he's become such a crypto guy. He used to be the macro guy. He used to talk about oil and dollar yen. I'm like, I don't give a about that stuff because it doesn't produce 150% returns a year. I'm actually trying to my future and your future. That's what matters to me. And part of that is I really would like everybody to realize that if the yellow fruit comes, which, as you can see, I've shown the charts, is it before the election, after the election? How does it end this month? I don't know, but it's there. I mean, it's there already. But don't this thing up. And then, I've already seen there's people at Real Vision this thing up, colleagues, because what happens is you get taken over by the madness. Ansem, this guy, Murad, they're making 100x. If I made 100x, I could be them. I could be wealthy. And before you know it, that nice bucket of Solana, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and maybe you've diversified into Racia, Sui, or Near, or whatever it may be. And then what happens is over time, you creep all that into meme coins. And then you're desperately in the search for the next big one. It's that kind of cocaine hit that you're searching for your next high, the next 50x. Oh my God, I got that one early and that one. And then you're buying into this AI narrative. Oh my God, AI has started a meme revolution and everything in the world's changed. I need to buy this. Before you know it, you're going to get washed out and washed out and washed out.
Pal isn't opposed to investing in meme coins. He allocates about 5% to 10% of his portfolio to assets like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. However, he emphasizes the importance of moderation and advises keeping a strong focus on established cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. In a recent tweet, popular Bitcoin analyst Willy Woo shared his thoughts on the current altcoin season. A longtime Bitcoin maximalist, Woo has largely refrained from discussing altcoins until now. He noted that this cycle appears to be different from previous ones. He remarked, "I haven't talked about altcoins in years. I lost my interest after seeing the performance chart of 10,000 of them, but someone asked me specifically about the altcoin market cap, and I've observed this cycle is markedly different." Woo highlighted that this third cycle has seen retail investors getting burned again, particularly since the 2017 boom and subsequent innovations in DeFi and NFTs. Woo described the meme coin market as a bubble casino, suggesting that retail investors may finally be recognizing the risks associated with these sectors. He acknowledged that while altcoin seasons will occur, they are likely to be weaker with each cycle. He also likened the alt market cap to a cricket bat that has undergone multiple transformations, emphasizing that the new winners and losers contribute to the market cap. Woo cautioned against holding altcoins long-term unless investors are well-informed, as the market is akin to a casino where the house eventually wins. What are your thoughts? Do you align more with Pal's bullish perspective on altcoins or Willy Woo's cautious stance? Let us know in the comments below. For more Daily Dose Crypto news, check out these two awesome videos on your screen. Click now and we will see you on the next video.